Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Botim to your bank account instantly. So let's get started. First open your Botim app. Okay, then click on money option in the bottom. Then click on withdraw option. Then choose how much you want to withdraw. Okay, for instantly transfer money you have to choose any. Okay, after selecting any, then click on continue, then again click on withdraw, type your passcode here, then click on confirm. Now you can see my withdrawal has been successful. You can see my balance is now 0. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.